Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Riya this side. I hope you are doing good. So on this channel I create content related to fashion, beauty and lifestyle. So if you're interested you can subscribe to my channel below. And in today's video you already know by the title that this video is gonna be a Nykaa haul. And I bought these items in the Pink Friday sale जो अभी कुछ टाइम पहले ही हुई थी. I guess 26 को start हुई थी, 24 या 26 को start हुई थी. So if you are interested in today's video, continue watching it. Without wasting any more time, let's just get started with the video. So let's start today's haul with no particular order. The first thing that I got, obviously a winter essential. This is Nykaa's Wanderlust Japanese Cherry Blossom Body Lotion, and the Japanese Cherry Blossom is its one of the variant. It is a very good body lotion. Like you just need a little amount of it and you're good to go. It has this pump bottle. So the MRP of this product is 450 rupees, I guess. Yes, and it is 300 ml bottle. But it was on discount, as I already told you कि ये Pink Friday sale से मैंने लिया है. So इस पे discount था, which I don't remember. Screen पर आपको इनका discounted price भी दिख जाएगा. So yes, I think you can try this body lotion. Now moving on to our next product, which is again a skincare product, and is the one product जो मुझे अब तक सबसे ज़्यादा अच्छा लगा है, like from skincare range, COSRX Advanced Essence. You can use it after applying the toner and before doing any other skincare step. मतलब after toning you should apply this and then you can move further towards your daily normal routine. Now मैंने ऐसा कहीं नहीं देखा है कि ये कौन सी स्किन टाइप के लोगों को यूज करना चाहिए, एंड आई एम रियली नॉट श्योर अबाउट दैट. टॉकिंग अबाउट द प्राइस, अगेन आई डोंट रिमेम्बर द प्राइस, बट ये कुछ 1200 या आई गेस ये 1200 के अराउंड ही मुझे पड़ा है. You can definitely go ahead if you can invest 1200 or 1300 rupees on an essence, then you can definitely try this product. I loved it. Now moving on to our next product, let's start with some makeup. So I got this Swiss Beauty's liquid eyeshadow. I got it in the shade Rose Gold Retro, that is 05 shade number. Let me show you the swatch of it. So this is how it looks like. I hope you can see. I think if you are a beginner then you can definitely try it क्योंकि इसमें आपको brushes वगैरह की ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ती. So yes, you can try it. I think you should try it. Now moving on. Next up, I bought a brush from this brand called Gup USA. I hope I am pronouncing it correctly. Now it is a blush brush. This is how it looks like. वैसे it is for 199 rupees, but I got it for 139 or 129 I guess. Screen पे mention होगा obviously. I think it is a little light. Like for my liking it is a little light, but I think इसका पिकअप और इसका पे ऑफ बहुत अच्छा है. Like ये बहुत अच्छे से प्रोडक्ट लेता है और पूरा स्किन पे आ जाता है प्रोडक्ट. Like you can see मैंने आज इसको ही यूज़ किया अपने फेस पे, बट इसमें बिल्कुल भी ब्लश का कलर या फिर ब्रॉन्जर का कलर नहीं है. सो आई थिंक उसके हिसाब से ये काफ़ी अच्छा ब्रश है. सो यू कैन डेफिनेटली ट्राई इट. आई मीन व्हाट एल्स यू कैन एक्सपेक्ट फ्रॉम अ 139 और 129 रुपीज़ ऑफ ब्रश. तो मुझे लगता है ये काफ़ी अच्छा ब्रश है. यू कैन गो फॉर इट. मूविंग ऑन टू आवर नेक्स्ट प्रोडक्ट. Now talking about this perfume, honestly speaking मुझे इसकी सेंट बहुत अच्छी लगी है. I like exactly these kind of scents. Now I'll just show you how it looks like. As you can see, and you can already see कि मैं इसको कितना यूज कर चुका है. Like ये पूरा ऊपर तक filled था, and you can see. So yes, I am in love with this perfume. You can definitely try it if you like sweet scents. If you don't like sweet scents, I would say don't go for it. हो सकता है कि आपको पसंद ना आए. So yes, moving on to our next product, which is again an eye makeup product, and it is this Swiss Beauty eyeshadow palette, and this is how it looks like. I'll just show you. This is how it looks like, and the shade number is 08 as you can see. So it is a colorful palette. मेरे पास already एक Swiss Beauty की palette है जो neutral tone में है, and I just love it. So the price is 249, but I think I got it for 187 rupees, which is again quite a good deal. So yes, let me swatch it for you. the shade. Now with a lot of colors on my hand, let's just move towards our next product, which is again an eye product. This is L'Oreal Paris's Lash Paradise Waterproof Hydrofuge Voluminous Mascara. And this is the one product which I was the most excited about because I've been wanting to try this mascara since a long time, and I finally got my hands on it क्योंकि I wanted to see कि क्या hype है इस product की, and it is worth the hype. And go for it. I just got it for 519 rupees, but the real price, the original MRP of this product is 800 rupees. It is worth your money and it is worth the hype. Now moving on to our next three products, they are lipsticks. Now I bought 3 lipsticks from this sale. 2 सेल पे नहीं थी, सेल प्राइस पे नहीं थी, and one is having extreme discount on the sale. So I will start with these two, the most inexpensive product in this whole haul. They are Insights non-transfer lip color, and ये काफी लंबे समय तक रहता है. I have used this coffee command shade before as well. कि सबसे अच्छी चीज यही है कि they are very inexpensive. They are just for 90 rupees. Now it has a little dry formula, so before applying this, don't forget to apply the lip balm. And you can see मैंने one of the shade of this lipstick लगा रखी है अपने lips पे. This is the Divine Wine shade जो मैंने अभी लगा रखी है, and it is a beautiful maroon wine shade. I will show you on my hand as well. So this is the shade Divine, you can see. Now I'll show you the Coffee Command shade, and it is a perfect brown shade. You can see कि brown shade is the one shade जो हर किसी के ऊपर और हर color type के ऊपर सूट कर सकता है. So this is a beautiful brown shade, like it is exactly a perfect brown shade, as you can see. You should definitely try these out. Now the next lipstick that I have is this L'Oreal Rouge Signature, and this is in the shade 144 I Conquer. Again I wanted to have a brown or brownish nude lipstick, तो मैंने ये वाली शेड चूज की इसमें से, बिकॉज आई थिंक ये ऐसा शेड है जो मुझे बहुत पसंद है और मेरे को एक ऐसा शेड चाहिए था. इट इज़ नॉट लाइक दिस वन, इस टाइप का ब्राउन शेड नहीं है ये. इट इज़ अ लिटिल डिफरेंट. द फॉर्मूला इज अगेन वेरी लाइट वेट. मैंने अब तक लिप्स पे ट्राई नहीं किया है, मैंने स्वॉचेस ट्राई किए इसके, बट आई कांट गारंटी यू कि ये बहुत देर तक स्टे करेगा, बिकॉज मैंने अपने हाथ पे स्वॉच किया था और वो काफ़ी टाइम के अंदर ही, मतलब कुछ 3-4 घंटे के अंदर ही वो फेड अवे होने लग गया था. So yes, let me first show you the swatch of it. This is how it looks like. It is more on a warmer undertone. Very lightweight formula. बहुत ही like it is literally very lightweight. And I got it for rupees just 350, and the original price is 700. Now you can see 50% का discount इसमें मुझे मिल रहा था. So I think it is a good buy for 350 rupees. I think it is a good one. Now moving on to our last product, and last product is sheet masks. Now winters officially आ गए हैं और winters में sheet mask is a must have. You don't have to use it on a daily basis or in a 2 to 3 days. It is enough to use it once a week. The sheet masks that I got are these Pond's one, and these are just for 75 rupees. और सेल पर ये 4 के साथ 4 फ्री मिलने का ऑफर चल रहा था. सो आई थिंक काफ़ी अच्छी डील थी. सो आई बॉट इट इन अ बंच ऑफ वेरियंट्स. नाउ द फर्स्ट वेरियंट दैट आई बॉट इज दिस Pond's Vitamin Duo Sheet Mask in Vitamin A plus Tomato Extracts, as you can see. So I bought 3 sheet masks with this variant. Next variant that I got, so again for a dull skin brightening sheet mask से अच्छा क्या हो सकता है. So that's why I bought this brightening sheet mask. I bought 2 sheet masks in this variant, and it says Vitamin C plus Pineapple Extract for clear glowing skin. So yes, moving on to our next variant, which is Vitamin B6 plus Bamboo Charcoal for pure detoxification. It says detoxing, so I bought 2 in this variant, and it is for detoxifying your skin. Now for a glowing skin it is really important कि आपकी skin detox अच्छे से डिटॉक्सीफाई हुई हो. So I think for that it is a good variant. Now moving on to my last variant, I bought only one sheet mask in this variant, and it is vitamin B3 with coconut water, and it is for hydration. So I think hydration is something which everyone's skin need, and it is for dewy, radiant and purified skin. So I bought these 8 sheet mask in 4 different variants, एंड अब तक मैंने इनमें से एक भी ट्राई नहीं किया है, सो आई कांट रियली से कि ये कितने इफेक्टिव होने वाले हैं, बट आई एम हैविंग हाई एक्सपेक्टेशंस फ्रॉम Pond's. एंड येस, दिस इज इट फॉर टुडेज वीडियो. दिस इज ऑल आई गॉट फ्रॉम Nykaa's Pink Friday sale. I hope you like this video. If you liked it, do not forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Also, subscribe to my channel below and hit that bell icon with it too, so that next time I post a new video, you will get notified. And I shall see you in my next video. Until then, stay tuned. Bye bye.